It's Steve and Maggie. Happy Halloween! Ooh.
Hello, boys and girls. My name is Mr. Pumpkinhead. Oh, wow! What a big pumpkin! Oh, it's huge! Hey, boys and girls, say with me, it's a pumpkin, it's a pumpkin, it's a pumpkin, yeah! And today, we're going to make a pumpkin. There you go, bye-bye, see you. Oh, no, don't be silly. We're going to make a spooky Halloween jack-o'-lantern from this huge pumpkin. To do that, we're going to need a sharp knife. Now be very careful and maybe ask a grown-up to help because we need to cut the top off. Here we go. Let's do just that. Let's cut down here. Down here. Wow, it really is a big pumpkin, isn't it, boys and girls? Oh, look, Maggie's making a jack-o'-lantern too. Let's see how she's doing.
Look at my pumpkin, boys and girls. It's great. My jack-o'-lantern will be better than Steve's.
Well done, Maggie. Hey, boys and girls, I've nearly finished cutting the top off this pumpkin. Hey, what's inside? What's inside? Let's find out. Oh, wow. Oh, look inside this pumpkin. Lots of seeds and sticky, messy mess. Oh, we have to scoop out this pumpkin. And for that, I'm going to need a bowl for the pumpkin seeds and the sticky, gooey mess and a ladle. Right, let's get to work. Such a big pumpkin, it's going to take a while to scoop out all of this. Oh. Hey, let's see how Maggie's doing.
Look, I've cut the top off my pumpkin and scooped it out. I'm ready to make the jack-o'-lantern's face. Oh, spooky, spooky.
Well done, Maggie. Oh, and hey, boys and girls. Yeah, I've finished scooping out this huge pumpkin. Great. Now, I need to cut out 2 eyes for my jack-o'-lantern, but what shape shall I make the eyes? Oh, I know. What about triangles? Yeah. Look, this is a triangle. Say with me. It's a triangle. It's a triangle. It's a triangle. Yeah. Let's make 2 eyes that are triangles. Almost there. Now, let's see if I can push. Yeah. Oh, look. Ha ha. Yay! Great! We've made 1 eye! Look at that triangle! Yay! Super! Now, we need 2 eyes though, don't we? Okay, let's go again. Let's make an even bigger one here. Let's see if I can get it out. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay. Oh, look. Look. Yeah! Ha ha! Another triangle. Let's put that away because look, we've made 2 eyes. They are eyes and they are triangles. How's Maggie getting on?
Oh, great! Hey, look at the eyes on my jack-o'-lantern. They're not triangles. No. Look, they are squares. Yeah! A big square and a little square. Now, what do I do next? Steve?
Good job, Maggie. But hey, boys and girls, what do we need to do next with our jack-o'-lantern? We need to give him a A nose, yeah, a nose. But what shaped nose should I give my jack-o'-lantern? I know, how about a square nose? Look, this is a square. Say with me, come on. It's a square, it's a square, it's a square. So let me give my jack-o'-lantern a square nose. Okay, right, here we go. Let me try it. Push, push, push. Oh, yeah! Look, a square. A perfect square, making a perfect nose for our jack-o'-lantern. Wow, what a nice nose. How's Maggie getting on?
Look at the nose! It's a triangle! It's a triangle! It's a triangle! Oh, yeah! It looks great!
Oh, it's looking great, Maggie, but not as good as our jack-o'-lantern. Oh, hey, we need to do one more thing, don't we? What's missing? Yeah, his mouth. But what shape should I use for my jack-o'-lantern's mouth? I can't use a circle. It would look like it's always surprised. No, let's use a rectangle. Yeah, it will look like it's smiling. Hey, boys and girls, this is a rectangle. Say with me, it's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. Yay! Now let's get to work. Oh, but I must remember to leave some teeth so he looks like a spooky jack-o'-lantern. Yay! Right, here we go. If this works, I hope we can push out a nice big mouth. Let's see. Okay, let's push, push, push. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Yeah. Oh, there's one bit with one tooth here. Here we go. Push, push. Oh, it's not easy. Out comes another bit and another bit. Now the last bit of our rectangle. Hey, look at that. Wow. Look at this jack-o'-lantern. It's great. With two eyes that are triangles, a nose that's a square, and a mouth that's a nice big rectangle with 1, 2, 3, 4 teeth. How's Maggie's looking?
Look at it, boys and girls. It's great. I'm going to put it where everyone can see it. But I need a candle and a light. Oh, I'd better ask Steve for help.
Yay! Maggie has finished her jack-o'-lantern, and so have we! Oh, look!
Hello, boys and girls. My name is Jack-o'-lantern. Happy Halloween!
Oh, wow! What a great jack-o'-lantern! Now, I'm just going to put a candle inside for later and put his hat on. Oh, very nice hat. Thank you, Mr. Jack-o'-lantern. Let's pop that down and we shall put this where everybody can see it. Oh, it'll be a spooky Halloween night. Yay! Oh, let's go. Okay, yay! Oh, hey! Hi, boys and girls! Look at my spooky jack-o'-lantern! Doesn't it look great with a candle inside? Yay!
Hi, Steve!
Oh, and Maggie's looks great too! Yeah!
And what's better than two? Lots! Abracadabra!
Oh, wow! Look, boys and girls, look! How many jack-o'-lanterns?
Yeah!
I don't know. Hey, come on, sing and count with me. Are you ready? Yeah! 1 little, 2 little, 3 little pumpkins, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little pumpkins, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little pumpkins. Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween, boys and girls. I hope you get to make a spooky jack-o'-lantern like one of these. Have a wonderful Halloween. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Yay!